a small welcome gift from the hotel. This is a 2-twin superior guest room. Depends on the time of your travel. During non-peak season, you may be able to get the room for around 340 plus tax plus fees. During peak season, you may be looking at 560 or about. Including tax and fees, it's close to 720. If you have a third person in the same room, like I have my 12-year-old daughter, they will charge an additional person fee for 12,000 yen. At the time of this video, it's converted to $80. I redeemed my room using the Marriott free night certificate. I no longer recommend getting the Marriott Brilliant card because of recent benefits changes, but the basic Marriott Bonvoy business card is still a fair deal. Leave me a comment and I'll share my experience on a different video to talk about the Marriott Award program. Ritz Carlton is located 10-15 minutes walking distance to the Osaka JR station. I may try out the Hilton Osaka on my next visit because it is connected to the JR Osaka station by an underground walkway. I hope you find this video helpful. Please do subscribe and like, I really appreciate it. See you next time.